Okay, we're gonna do a tutorial for Cool Groove. Why don't you come over to this side?
Okay.
And then you're gonna take over. It's already going. Stand up. And you just keep it on my hands, okay? So I'm gonna start slow. I'll play. Actually, should I play it fast first?
Sure.
Sorry. Okay, so don't stop it. We're gonna keep going now. This time we're gonna do the tutorial. So you can stop and start, listen to it. I wanna play it slowly so you understand how to play this nice and slow, okay? And you can use this, right?
Yeah.
To make sure that you just master little sections at a time.
Okay.
Okay, so. Da, da, to A flat, G, B natural, C dot, da, da, A flat, da, da, So you do one round like this. Now the right hand does the same thing, but up an octave. Exact same thing. Great. And oh, that's piano, sorry. And then up here, and then really quiet. So. No, we're not gonna go that fast. Okay.